Do you wish you can use ChatGPT to help you send reply emails? Let me show you how to do it automatically, using Zapier. To do this task, I'll want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier as a no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say something like, when a new Gmail email arrives, use ChatGPT to write a short professional reply and save it as a Gmail draft, and it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps that I need to take to complete my Zap. And if I need to tweak my prompt or troubleshoot anything, I could just type right into the Copilot. It walks me through the process. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Gmail. I'll need to log into my account before configuring my steps. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Gmail, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If it's your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log in your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the data source you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can move on to our first action step. I'll need to connect my OpenAI account by logging in. If it's your first time logging in, you'll need to create an API token key. You can do this by selecting a new secret key on your API Keys dashboard tab and giving it a name before copying and pasting it into the authorization screen. Click Continue and we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the action apps fields. Copilot will have pre-configured this step for you. However, if the data is not there, you can type create a draft reply for and then select body plane on the dropdown under the text to be analyzed menu. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Great, let's move on to our last action step. Log into your Gmail account one more time and then click continue. Next, it's time to assign our trigger apps data into the action apps fields once more. Copilot will once again fill out your configuration steps with your source data. And if my data isn't there, I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap to my liking. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Gmail account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a new email is sent to our Gmail account, a draft reply will automatically be created using ChatGPT. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click on the link below and Copilot will build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.